Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to do a 10-minute bride and groom portrait shoot challenge in natural light. I am on one of my off-camera flash workshops today, so a big thank you to everybody for attending, including Courtney, who is behind this camera, who's come all the way from California. So thank you again, Courtney. I am blown away that you're doing this for me, so thank you, and I hope you're finding it a good day. I'm actually going to be trying to beat my own work because 3 years ago, with James and Demi, I did another 10-minute natural light challenge here, and that video did really well. So what I'd like to do in the comments is let me know whether you prefer the old video, to say old, or the new video, the new one, by putting new. Hopefully the picture from today will be better than that one, but we'll see. So fingers crossed. So again, I'm going to do 10 minutes, just natural light. I'm on my Sony A9 II and Sony A9. This has got the 85mm lens on, the 1.8, and this has got the 35mm 1.8 on. So I'm only going to be using two cameras, two lenses, all natural light. We're going to start off down here. So James and Demi, if I can bring you down, actually just to keep on going until you hit those sort of group of 3 or 4 trees on the left-hand side, please. So again, everybody else, if you have any questions, just shout out and just ask away. So oftentimes on a wedding day, I will start with the bride and groom a little bit further away, just in case they're a bit freaked out at having their portraits taken. So I'm going to do that here. I'm going to just put them both down here, and then I'll be bringing them back up. But in the meantime, let's set our timer. So 10 minutes starts now. Okay, so I'm going to ask you just facing each other if you don't mind, please. Just a little bit this way. Perfect. So we'll start off on the 85mm. The conditions today are not really ideal because we're shooting this about 3 hours before sunset. Beautiful, you two. Now you can actually just start walking towards me. Plus, it's still technically winter in the UK, so all the trees have no leaves. Beautiful. Just look at each other. Amazing. Perfect. I'm going to hold you there 1 second. Got to put this daffodil right close up. Beautiful, you two. Amazing. Okay, just walking towards me again. Just look at each other as you're walking. Beautiful, you two. Perfect. I'm going to stop you both about here, please. So I love colour, and I love these daffodils. So I'm going to go to my 35 now, and put James and Debbie really close. Gorgeous, you two. Now using James and Demi, let's face it, is cheating because they're so good at posing, but sue me. Beautiful, you two. Amazing, 1 second. Gorgeous. And last one. Just look at each other as you're doing that same position. Excellent, thank you both very much. Okay, we'll carry on walking. But I'm going to ask everyone just to come this side if that's okay. So if James and Demi walk up there, I'm going to shoot behind. So I'll just actually, you can just let the veil go if you like, but I'm actually just to hold hands as you walk in. Beautiful, and again, just still looking at each other as you walk in. Good. Demi is a genius with the veil. Perfect, I'm going to keep you walking around to the right to these steps if that's okay. Quick time check, we've only done 2.5 minutes, so that's good. I'm going to sit you down on these steps. That's okay, please. Think about here, just right in the middle. So James, if you can just sit down, and Demi, I'm going to actually sort of like to back into James.
Yeah. On the step below then?
No, I think the same, maybe the step below. Let's see what that looks like. Don't know if you'll be too low. Oh no, that's nice. That's right, and then just heads close together. Let's go back here. One thing of this is an 85, but I want the whole frame to be the lines. Yeah, beautiful, Demi, thank you. So just really cuddly close, just looking up at each other. Good. And just looking up at, just like that's it, gorgeous, you two. Perfect, gonna come a bit closer. Exactly as you are. Well, just close your eyes, you're going to just rest your heads on each other if that's alright. Just put them beautiful. Good. Going to come a little bit closer. Beautiful, just hold it there for me. Demi, I'm just going to put your head just a little bit more this way. That's it, yeah, yeah. Stunning. I'm just going to... Perfect. Good. Just Demi looking at me if that's okay. Good, you too. Beautiful. A bit further back. Again, just eyes looking down. Amazing. Perfect, thank you very much. We'll now come up here. To all the attendees watching this, if you want any of these shots, we can go back and do them again.
Yes, please.
Ooh. Yeah, big shout out to everybody for coming. They've all been amazing. So we'll come round this way. I think I'm going to do a shot this time just with you, Demi, if that's okay. And it might be a bit difficult, but I'm thinking, could you sit here, please? I just want to shoot through the daffodils. Yes, please, yeah. So if your head will be this side. Okay. Let's see what it looks like when you sit down. Yeah, that's good. Beautiful, Demi. That's gorgeous. Just look into that light again, Demi. Yeah. Looking more where James is? Yeah, work it, James. I'm just going to, do you mind if I just turn you around, Demi, just for one other? Exactly the same, but the other way around. The only reason I'm saying that is that it's Demi at the minute, he's on the right hand side of the frame, looking to the right, out of the frame. I like us looking in, but that is against the natural light, so it might not look as good, but we might as well try it. Because the light at the minute, you might not be able to tell in the video. I'll show you. The light is very diffused. It's not very strong, so I might have to get away with this. That's gorgeous, Demi. Just looking the other way now, Demi, if you don't mind. That's it, yeah. Really nice. You're doing brilliant. And last one. Gorgeous. Amazing. Yeah, I will say again, because I know I'm going to get in the comments, this is cheating. Demi's very good. Perfect. Okay, well, I'll come over this way. Time check again. Well, we've got 3 minutes left. Right, I want to try and do a silhouette. We'll do that first. Then I might dash upstairs. So the sun, as you can see, is very high in the sky, but it's also very diffused, so the silhouette's not going to be strong, but to get the silhouette like I'd like, I'm going to have to go very low on the ground. So Demi and Jane, can I just put you just in front of me here, please? And if we can put the veil back in, thank you. And then I'll direct James more so. Yeah, the sun's going to be above them, which is not ideal. I'd like the sun to be covering them, but... Yeah, James, you're in the perfect place there. Little test shot, yeah. Yeah, perfect, James. Then Demi, if you can just face James, if that's okay, so you're facing each other. Yeah, it's really nice. You're really close with your bodies. Just be careful here not to blow out too much. Beautiful, you two. Stunning. And just, if you can just throw that veil for me, Demi. Good. And last one. Perfect. Gonna go to 85. They were amazing. Yeah, this might not work quite as well just because I'm trying to get the frameness of the trees on the left. So don't worry about the veil this time, Demi. Just really close to James. Good. Little gap between your head. Beautiful. Slightly bigger gap. Good. Perfect. Okay. Right, I'm now going to keep you both there. I'm going to run up to the room that we were in very quickly. I've got a minute.
Run.
So my last shot's going to be from this window up here. Here I go. Shall I do a comedy fall? The window doesn't open. Oh no. Yes, it does. Can I just turn you around so that Demi's on that side, please? That's it, cool. Good, you two. Just walk away to the other corner if that's okay. That's it. Perfect, have you seen what the time is? There it goes. There is the timer. So I'm going to run down. 1 second. So here are my favourite photographs from this shoot. A huge thank you again to Demi and James as always, who are always incredible, and let's face it, it is cheating using them both. So a massive thank you to Demi and James. A huge thank you as well to all my attendees, to Courtney and to Polly for filming. If you have any questions about anything I've done in this video, please do let me know. And please, again, while I get my breath, remind me what are your favourite photographs, either the older video, so put old in the comments, or today's video and put new in the comments. Hopefully it's new, otherwise I've gone. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.